Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to educate you guys on how you can use Crypto Bubbles and Dexscreener to find 10x meme coin. If you're new here, this is the Betong Crypto here. Create content to help anyone out there who want to build world with cryptocurrency from scratch, who are determined to focus, build something special through trading. That's what I'm all about on this platform. I help you guys understand market structure, understand different tools out there that you are going to utilize to, make your work more easier, make life more easier for you. So if this sort of content interests you, you know what to do. Go and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. If you don't know, Crypto Bubbles is a platform where you can go and get data on what is going on in the market, price action. You can see past performance and what is going on, like past and present performance in the crypto space. So I really love the tool so much. And this screener helps me to do analysis, look at the market structure, look at where prices are, then look at the different levels that price has been respected, and then wait for price to pull back before I can, get involved in that coin. So I'm just gonna walk you through all the process. And what I do is basically trying to help you get in get into the, like, have a better entry, have a better entry, and then have also an appropriate exit. Because if, say, you get into the market without knowing how to get out, then it's gonna be not good for you. So let's dive into this right away. By the way, I'm still in Maryland, United States, live from United States. The time difference is really that challenging. That's why you see me not being consistent in most of my life these days. But we're gonna, fix this, and in subsequent days we're gonna fix this. All right. So this is Crypto Bubbles. Actually, where I begin is I begin from the top 100 coins, and you can go right up to the top 1,000 coins. Now, the top 1,000 coin, like from the top 1,000 coins to the top 100 coins, are all projects that I think have real good potential, for anyone out there who want to invest in the coin, because we have more than 1 million crypto coins out there. So any coin that made it to the top 1,000 has some value somehow. So you can decide which meme coin you want to research. I'm going to show you how research on the meme coin. But what I mean to say is, you can decide which blockchain you want to trade on. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna do this randomly, and you're gonna decide which one you want to trade on in the end, like depending on which blockchain you feel comfortable trading on. We have Solana, we also have Base, we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other blockchains that you can trade this on. Now, we are now on the top 1,100 coins, right? And from the top 100 coins, usually you cannot really get the juice from it, So I try to focus on the top 500, 500 to 600, to see if I can find a meme coin there that has a good potential. Now, I've seen one meme coin, Bobo. So what I do, if I find a meme coin like this, Bobo, I'm going to click on that, then take me to what this coin have done for the year, for the month, for the week, for the day, for the hour. What I'm looking at is if this coin has done so much for the year, and how deep it has gone, like for the past month, weeks and day. Now, for the past month, you can see this coin is down 46%, for the week is down 25%, and for the day is down 5%. Meaning, all through this month, this coin is been down, but for the year, it's been up about 6x. Now, what we do is we just go to CoinMarketCap, you can look at this icon here. Either you go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you click on that, it's going to take you to this website. And what you want to do, or the reason why you are on this website is to get the contract address, directly from this website, so we can take it to Dexscreener. So let's just allow it to load a little bit, and then, okay, now I can copy it here. Let me copy this, then I'm going to take it to Dexscreener, and I'm going to paste it here at this search. Let me go to this one. Yeah, this search on the left-hand corner. I'm going to paste it there, and it's going to give me this coin. Now, as I mentioned, I use Dexscreener to give me, to show me, performance, price action, if price action has been respected, or price has respected multiple support and resistance zones. And if I pull my tools, I want to see that price is respecting those tools or indicators that I use on a day-to-day basis. So usually I want to be on the daily time frame, right? And the first tool I bring in is the Fibonacci retracement tool. So the FIB this is it here, always the first one. You click on that, you take it from this bottom here. You can take it from this bottom or from this zone here, but anywhere around that area, you take it right up to the top. Now, what you are looking at is this zone. You want price to stay in this zone. The entire Fibonacci zone. When it comes to meme coins, you want price to keep to stay in this zone. And here we have the golden pocket, we have the 0.786, we have also the 0.5, we have the 0.382 zones, or should I say lines. Now you can see price has been respecting this zone. You can see when price break this area, price came back, it held this yellowish zone. It went up again, came down and held the golden pocket. Price moved around the golden pocket multiple times. The golden pocket is a 0.618 zone, and this zone is the most respected zone in any price action. So if you pull this to, regardless what you're trading, be it stocks, be it bonds, be it forex, this zone must be respected. And if the zone is respected, it means there are real traders or there are real investors who are in this project, or who are trading this, should I say, in this case, this coin or this meme coin. So you can see price respected this zone multiple times, and these zones, when price is in an uptrend, you are waiting for price to reverse to that zone before you can start thinking of buying. And when price is in a downtrend, you think of price to, reverse to that zone, to this area, before you might start thinking of selling. Maybe if price is not able to break this zone, then you can now think that maybe price can keep pushing to the downside. But in this case, I think if you look closely, you're going to see that there is a stopping volume candle here. You see this long wick here. This wick signifies that the investors don't want price to go below where price is. So they want price to respect this zone. So they're accumulating more in these areas. That's why you see this huge wick, when it was formed, we saw how it was eaten instantly. So now, because we have drawn this, and price has gone past this yellowish line, now what I want to do, if this coin is a good coin, I want to expect the coin to reverse. So what I do is I pull this same FIB tool from the top to the bottom again, from the top to the bottom. Now I want to see where the golden pocket is. The golden pocket is at this area where price have created a resistance zone. Yeah, this is a cool resistance area, and you can see it clearly that price rejected that area multiple times. So if you're buying this coin here, you have multiple zones that this coin might go to. The first area where you might expect some sort of reversal or pullback is around this yellowish area, the 0.382 zone. Guys, it's easy. This tool is free of charge. You can pull it, and then you use my settings. These are my settings. Let me just let me see if I can show you guys my setting. Yeah, so these are my settings. You can see, you can copy the same thing. You can check this, check this 0.382, check this also this other one, check, and uncheck the rest. I use only these two. They are the most important to me, And when I see price in these zones, as I mentioned, I want price to come back. Yeah. So actually, what price can do or price might do when it comes to this coin is price is gonna reverse. Yeah. And come back. Maybe if price hold, then price is gonna go up. Guys, now before I even go here, another thing I want to look at, even though to me it's not that significant, but I'm going to explain to you guys what this is or what this means to me. So I want to go to the Twitter or the X platform of this coin. I want to see how many followers they have. Now, Bobo have 9.6K followers. Okay, it means maybe there are people here, almost 100K following on X. Means maybe there are some people here who actually love this coin and they are holding so strong. Now, next I want to look at is the engagement. If we have, or if I can see that there are many retweets when they post something and also likes, then views. You can see this one have 2.5K views. Yeah, and 28 retweets. You can see this one also, it has 4.4K. So I want to see engagement with the tweet, with their tweets on their platform. And if I see engagement, it's a sign that there are investors or traders that interact with this platform. Of course, if say you see more than 100K or more than 1 million, let's say 1 million or more than this amount, but you don't find any real engagement, then it might be bots that they like the whole show is gonna be like scam, like maybe this is just shadow followers, something like that. But you can see they are active. Let's see the last time they post. Their last post was 6 hours ago, so they are active, and you can see 6 hours ago they have had 2.5K tweets. So the next thing I want to determine is if these people who are part, or the investors who are part of this platform, have real cash, to buy, or if there are many of them, or like if this number reflects what I want to find on Dexscreener. So I want to go to the holders. You can see the holders are here. At this, like you can look at my, should I say my mouse? Yeah, you see they have 21 point, almost 22,000 holders. But on their page, on their page or on their X platform, we have 90K holders. Yeah, we have 21K holders. So we want to go to see, okay, if this is real, like you can see, of course, this is real. They have 21 or almost 22,000K. And look at the top traders. Who are they? How much they have made? You can see this guy have made so much money. The top 10 holders have made so much money. And most of these guys, you can see, I can see directly from the blockchain. Well, not like from the blockchain, but from this data that I can find on Dexscreener. This data is from the blockchain anyways. On Dexscreener, I can see that most of these guys here are insiders. They didn't actually buy this coin; it was given to them. So maybe the guys who launched this coin, have multiple wallets, and this can also be in this case that what you see here, like the market cap, is based on the fact that these guys have so much. They have invested so much in this coin, and they don't want to cash it out. They want to see the coin go. So in this case, I'm gonna now consider that the whales, or those who are behind the coin, want to see it succeed. So, but if say price keep dipping, like in this case, if price keep dipping, then I will say that these guys are not real investors. They are just they just want to use new people as exit liquidity. So you want to make sure price respect that the zones that you are going to be getting in. Guys, I'm not going to chart every coin, but these are just the basics you need to apply when you want to invest in, or when you want to trade any coin that has real upside. Because look at this market cap. It's nothing, just for 42 million. 42 million market cap. What if this coin gets to about 200 or $1 billion market cap? This is gonna be huge for you. You're gonna like more than 10x your investment. So looking at what the previous investors did, like those who launched the project, those who got it in early, you look at what they have done. They are cashing out profit, no doubt, and they are cashing out profit on those who are buying the dip, right? So for you to know that price has begun reversal, you have to wait for price to break structure. So how is price gonna break structure? Now this is how price is gonna break structure. Now when you see a move like this, like now price is where price is. Price is gonna attempt this zone. This zone is gonna before it was resistance, and now it's gonna act as support. So what you want is for price to go up like this, calm and hold. So you can fall down to lower time frame and then look at this on lower time frame. Now, for example, you see price when price make a dip and we see some green candles, price gonna form more red candles and push price to the downside. Now, this is a zone where we want to see price to break. This was a previous higher low. Yeah, higher low. This previous higher low, we want to see price to break this previous higher low. So what price is gonna do is this: if price leave this zone, break up there, come back, this is where you want to buy. Price should hold here. Price should hold this area. If price is not able to hold this area, then price is going to keep on making lower lows and lower highs. And in that case, you don't want to just buy where price is at this point in time. You have to wait for price to play out. And if price play out your favor, you are going to catch the move. There's no reason for you to FOMO in right now. Of course, usually they say don't buy the pump or don't buy when price is going to the upside. Always buy reversal, but you also need to be cautious so that you don't buy at the time when these guys are gonna dump it on you. So you wanna keep looking at what they are doing. And one thing also I do is I go back to these top holders. These top holders. I want to check on. I go to this area here, this zone. I want to check where this particular. There are some people here. Let me see. I think it's gonna be on transaction. Yeah, transaction. No, top traders. I want to see top traders. Yeah, I go to top traders. Then I go to this. You see this icon here. I click on that icon. Now, what I want to see are the different areas where these top traders, are buying and are selling. So you can see this guy is selling here, and there's nowhere, or you cannot find anywhere on this chart that he was buying or he bought anything. So he has been selling instead of buying. It means he's using new investors or new traders as exit liquidity. When the price is dump a little bit, and some people might see, price is about to dump. They buy the dip, DCA, as people usually say. Then price is gonna pump a little bit. They're gonna dump it on you. Now you start thinking that, okay, now maybe you're gonna buy it more cheaper, and you buy again, they dump it on you. You buy again, they dump it on you. So they are using you as exit liquidity. So in this case, I want to see where these guys are gonna start buying again. If I pull the top traders, I want to see where they're gonna start buying. In this case, as I mentioned, this guy is an insider. The reason how I knew this guy is an insider is because you see, there's no data here on what he bought, and also on the profit. Nothing is here. It means this wallet was this just sent this guy some coins, but this guy bought 18K. So let's look at this guy. Let's see his own data. Or let's see where. Let's see. Okay, in this case, you can see that this guy has been buying. He bought here, bought here, bought here, but most of his trades are sell, 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 sell. You can see. So until you see buy for most of these top traders, you see buy, then don't get involved. On Dexscreener, you can get all of this data. It's free of charge. You just need to understand what you're doing. I've made a video on how you can use Dexscreener. Go to my videos, you're gonna find that. So guys, this is just how I use Crypto Bubbles. You can like look for random coins or random meme coin. Let's say someone told you about a meme coin and you wanna just check on it. You can perform the same analysis that I just did. And it's gonna give you more insight. Like for example, look at this coin, Daddy. Daddy is a Andrew Tate's coin. Let's say I want to analyze this coin, so I'm gonna go to Coinmarketcap. Copy the contract address. You can see here it's on the Solana blockchain. So I want this to load well, but I already have Daddy here, so I'm not gonna wait. Okay, that's I have it now. Let me go back to Dexscreener. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna paste this here. And this was launched on pump.fund. You can see pump, so this coin was launched on pump.fund. I'm gonna wait for the data to appear here so I can click on it. So you can see, yeah, this is it, the first one, Daddy on Radium. Now, what I'm looking at is the same as I just mentioned to you guys. I've already done TA on this one. You can see I plug the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, and I look at the holders. You go to the Twitter or the X platform, you're gonna see how many followers they have on X. You can see this guy, they have 43.6k followers on X. You go back to Dexscreener, you're gonna see look at their holders. I mean, they have more holders than the followers on X. So these are real data. You can trust this data, and for you to know where price might pull to us, you can still bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top, to the bottom. You can see where the golden pocket is. Let me take off this one. Let me take off this one. You can see the 0.382 is the first zone where price is going to retrace to. And if price retrace to that zone, how many percent we are looking at right now? We are looking at almost 1.5x. And if price go back to the golden pocket, we are looking at 250%. That's 2.5x. And if price goes back to the all-time high, we are looking at about 5x or 3x. So this move alone can give you 5x, and if price breaks structure and we see a massive out season or bull run, then this coin can give you straight away the 10x that you are looking for. So guys, I don't want this video to be so long, but I had to analyze this in a way you understand. You don't just rush to do things. I want you guys to always have enough data so that you can plan ahead of time, give you the proper security you need to build a sustainable investment portfolio or trading portfolio. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such awesome content to help you, guide you in your trading journey, then make sure you go now and smash that subscribe button. And if you want to be part of my VIP group, go to my link tree. I think the first link at the description of this video. Go there. This is my link tree. You're gonna get data on different links where you're gonna connect with me. If say you wanna trade most of these coins on Bitonics, this is a non-KYC. So those of you who are in the US, you are looking for a non-KYC crypto derivative exchange. Bitonics is one of them, and you can also join my VIP group. My VIP group, you get buy and sell alerts, or maybe you wanna join or book a 50 minutes call with me, a free call with me. Let's discuss the challenges that you are facing. Maybe you have issues with portfolio management. You don't know what to buy, how to go about everything. Just book a free call with me, and we're gonna discuss on how to how you can proceed in your investment journey too, so that next time you'll be doing the right thing. So that's it for this video, this tutorial. Tomorrow I'm gonna be live again, but I'm not sure it's gonna be the same time. But tomorrow I'm gonna do a general analysis of the market, look at Bitcoin, look at some altcoins or meme coins. Then maybe at night we're gonna just trade together if say I have time. But that's it for this video, guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working